What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for the day and how I traded them. So today was a little nice, decent red day today. Pretty much just should have been patient today. It was Monday after an explosive week last week, and should have just waited for really good setups today. Other than I did one good morning trade on MDR that I'm gonna go into, and I did one bad trade here on BIMI. Got caught up in this red mess here and thinking it was gonna curl up from the dip on the RSI. So, before I jump into that, real quick, this is just the average guy, although I'm anything but average, and this is what I do on my channel. Breakdown, mostly been talking about the stocks recently and how I trade them, and break it down to you. So let's look at MDR quick. MDR is my first trade of the day, or second trade of the day after BIMI. So I saw that MDR is getting some volume here. It spiked up here and then came back down. I was like, the RSI was maxed out and then it came down. I was like, okay, you might have another chance here to max out on the RSI. The K is coming from the min line. So I got in here at 290 right here, 934. Went up a little bit, 3%, and then the RSI dipped out on the next candle. I was like, let me go ahead and get ready to sell. Sold here at 298. So just a 2.93% gain. It was alright, should have definitely got in on this first bump here at 285. Would have made a bigger percentage gain. I was just holding out a little while because those first morning candles are pretty vicious. So after I did that trade there, I decided to try out another trade here on MDR. Saw that MDR made a nice move here from the min line. Did a nice move here. So I decided to try it out here on this other curl. Even though the stock was downtrending, I should have just left it alone. Should have just left it alone. Stock was downtrending. Tried it out here on this green candle here, 254, and ended up selling for a loss around 240 something around that area. As soon as it broke down here on this this low of this candle. So that was a bad trade there. What kept me in the red. And OPK, let's check that one out. Some more bad trading here. Got in here, seeing that I was getting support. Got in here on this candle here, but got in high at 235. It bobbled around here. I held, and then I sold here right before it spiked up again. Could have sold it for a profit, but I sold here thinking it was going to continue lower, even though that was a buy, and sold at 230. So lost there too. So between BIMI, OPK, and then losing out my gains on MDR, so it kept me in the red today. So just gotta be a little bit more patient, wait for the days that stocks are going above their pre-market high, and just wait on those good dips, those good easy dips. So just being a little impatient today, made some bad trades, and I'll get back into it tomorrow. So look at SPY real quick. SPY's doing a nice little uptrend here. Looking decent. Look like it could break out from a pattern here. Let's check out SNA real quick. I did a little trade on that also. SNA, look at this perfect going from the min to the max. 20%. Bam. Then it did a little pattern breakout here. Still like it's still uptrending from that. The D was just slowly moving around here. It came from the min line. The K was bouncing up and down here. And then bam, breakout on the pattern. Had a hold for the pullback. Could sell on the max line here, or wait for the bigger move, which I did, and sold on the max out right here. So little gain, 7%, 6% gain, and look like it's continuing higher. Looks like I should have held on a little bit longer. Definitely, it's looking like it's curling up. Let's look at gold real quick. Nug, you know how we do every day, and gold is getting hammered. It is down 8%. Wow. Let's look at that. Oops. Daily chart, and it is getting hammered. Like it's following the trend here, maybe. A little hard to tell. See if it breaks support here at $25.80, $26, between that area. See if it breaks support there. Bam. Alright, you guys, well, that's pretty much it for me. Nice red day today. Gonna get back into it tomorrow, study up what I did wrong, look at my screenshots, and just get back into it. Shake it off. And hope you guys out there are trading safely out there. And please comment below if you have any questions. If you did any trades today, please comment your trades down below, and hit that like button for me to let me know you're watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.